friends, this is Shilpa from Mystic Vision by Shilpa. Today I'm going to talk to you about Victory Reiki. Now, Victory Reiki is one of the forms which is channelized and copyrighted by Dylan Wolf in 2019. When we hear the word victory, what are the meanings or what are the words that come to our mind immediately? Achievement, gain, defeat over something, triumph, winning, mission accomplished, so on and so forth, right? So here we learn Victory Reiki to channelize the specific energies of victory to become victorious over anything. Be it to get success, good luck, attract money, prosperity, abundance. And guys, this does not limit us to only these things. It might be used in winning legal cases if you are on the right side. Sometimes we are having troubles in getting our documents signed. Victory Reiki helps us get those signed as well. Contracts which are stuck or which are not coming through. Yes, we can use the magic of Victory Reiki to get that as well. We can get victory over anything by just using Victory Reiki. So friends, when you start using Victory Reiki, you start inviting good fortune in your life. Cash flow, prosperity, abundance, lots of success as well. Through which your confidence also boosts, it gets increased, and your positive outlook increases as well. One more quality of Victory Reiki is that we start attracting the right people in our lives, people who will be helping us for our highest good. They help us in many ways, friends. They make the quality of our work better, increase in business, and also getting the right job. But friends, let me tell you, this sky is the limit. You can just ask and you receive it. Victory Reiki helps by healing the situation and attracting those things towards us. So friends, there is no prerequisite for Victory Reiki. Means even if you are a novice in Reiki and don't know anything about it, still you can receive these energies of Victory Reiki and start using them instantly. It is a very simple modality, yet super effective. And I will be talking a lot more about it in the workshop. I will be giving you a lot of tips apart from this normal Victory Reiki as well. So feel free to connect with me to learn this modality via the description given below. Thank you. Bye-bye.